Hi everyone, Paul from the LaVague team here, and today we're going to showcase how LaVague, our large action model framework, can help you automate the writing and maintenance of web testing. So in this demo, we're going to showcase how LaVague can create an agent that takes a gherkin test case as an input, performs the test, and exports the Selenium code into a pytest BDD file. So first, we're going to have a look at the gherkin that contains our test specifications. So in this case, we're going to test a standard cart feature, and we're going to test if you can successfully add an item to cart from a certain page. So as you can see, I provide the URL as well as the feature file, and I launch the script. Here, LaVague starts running. The objective we gave it is simply to run the test. What you can see here highlighted is the reasoning of LaVague. We use screenshots and computer vision to generate the next instruction. Here, click on the backpack to navigate to its details page. As you can see, that was already done, and we're on to the next reasoning cycle. Now, the instruction that was generated was to click the Add to Cart button, which has already happened. In the next instruction cycle, according to the test case, we're going to have to click on the cart icon to check the content of our cart. And here we go. So now that the test case has finished running, LaVague is going to output a complete instruction, and LaVague is going to stop. So after the agent is done performing the actions demanded by the test, all the code that was produced is recorded and translated into a pytest BDD automated test. You're going to be able to reuse this test. And before that, let's take a look at the code that was generated. So here we open our code, and as you can see, this is a pytest file. It uses pytest BDD and contains an initial fixture and all the steps that were defined in our test case, as well as the assert statement. So this is a reusable pytest file, so we can simply run pytest. And as you can see, it was a little quick, but our test passes. So as you see, LaVague makes it easy to generate tests on the fly from simple test case definitions. Here we use gherkin, but anything could be done. A great strength of LaVague is that you can run the agents to create the tests, and those tests can be reused. But if the interface changes, you simply need to rerun the agent to generate a new test and basically update it. So LaVague is quite promising for the QA community. You could think about generating tests from user stories directly so that you don't even need to write gherkin test definitions. So if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to use LaVague. Check out our GitHub and our Discord. We are open source, and we are welcoming all contribution and help on the project. Cheers.